Hi guys, this is the video of unboxing of Resqtech pressure washer. What all you get in the box is this pressure washer. You get this big cable and you get a button here, on off switch. On off switch is there here. It's 2100 watts. Build quality is very nice. And what all you get in the box is here with me. I will show you that also. Hi guys, again I will show you. This is the 90-degree nozzle which you get with this, and this is, as you can see, I think it comes here. Okay, see guys. No, I think where it will come, I don't know. Oh, sorry, inside this is the zone. Okay guys, here it comes, see. And you get this one. And this I will show. Yeah guys, and these are all the items you get. One second, I'll show you in the box. This is link, and this is for shampoo, and see, this is all you get. These are all the items you get in the box. Okay, I'll make another video how this works and how is the pressure. I will let you know in the next video. Thank you so much.